Alright, we're going to do a quick video about our tourniquet holder, the laser cut Cordura laminate, and this mil-spec elastic. This is part of the laser files that you can buy on our Etsy shop. I'm also going to make the files available for download to anybody who subscribes to the website, so go ahead and stitch this together really quick. I'll show you how we do it. Okay, you want to start with the elastic and the laser MOLLE cut portion. And you're going to want to put these right sides together. So this elastic, there's a right side because there's camo here, no camo here. This side doesn't really matter too much. I'm going to put this as the wrong side. So this is going to be right side, stick them together. And you're going to want to line up one of the edges, make sure it's centered. Put that in there. Got this set up to go nice and slow. You're going to want to go over this edge at least twice. Okay. We're going to do the other side, and you want to line up this edge as well. Just like that. Keep it nice and straight. Alright, now you've got something that looks about like this. These are cut MOLLE slots on the back. See the stitching on both sides. Now we're going to take this next part. It doesn't really matter which side you put it on. Do this side there. Now we're just going to stitch along all four sides twice. You can put some clips on this to make it stay in place as you start the stitches. stitched all around the sides twice. Now we're going to flip this thing inside out. Alright, now that you have it, it looks about like this. This is the trickiest part, just flipping it inside out. Usually start the elastic, just start to kind of push this through. You can use like a pencil with a eraser or a Sharpie or something like that. I'm just going to go ahead and use fingers for now. So this is one of the trickier parts of this whole process. Just press it nice and flat. There you go. The laser cut MOLLE slots on the back, elastic on the front. And then been using this Velcro one wrap. This is Coyote Brown, so one wrap will go in the back slots. As you can see, they fit pretty easily in there. And then just goes, you know, over your belt, like that. And then, here's a Coyote Brown one, the tourniquet, and also trauma shears do fit in there. There's really nothing in there keeping them in place, so I might integrate something in the future to hold the shears. Comes right out. Eventually they start to kind of hold their shape, but it's still really good retention. The elastic is really good at still, you know, holding it. It's not going anywhere. Pretty easy to deploy. Cool. That's our S.L.I.Q TQ holder. Thanks for watching.